Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Bolo Dil Se, and here you can see that I am your teacher, I am your host, I am your anchor. Whatever you want to assume me, just assume, and just write in a comment section below. Do your opinion, write your thought, write your point of view about this world. That what do you think yourself, what do you think myself, and what do you think I have to improve myself. Look, people who do use abuse language in comment section, I think they are not mature enough to understand anything. And people who are abuse anything and without just taking for fun. I know what kind of mentality and what kind of psychology people who do abuse in a comment section. They think that they are smart one, no one watching them, and just take a easy fun. Okay, it's your karma, do whatever you want to do. But one thing I must am telling you, karma is a bitch. This is the underline. If you just if you have a if you have a notebook and pen, just write in your book that karma is a bitch. Whatever you want to do and whatever your intention is gonna follow back to you. Okay, so always whatever you want to do, just do yourself. I mean, you are free to do anything, you are just simply free to do anything. But whatever you want to do, just always remember that someone is watching you. I don't know what kind of that energy inside you, I mean, whatever you call them, but I think energy inside you, because you can't hide from yourself. Okay, you can't hide from yourself. Okay, so okay, I think we had enough talk. And if you have just seen my last two videos, then you can easily see that I have talked about tense, verbs. I have talked about how to make sentence, how to make an essay. I mean, any topic, everything I discuss about it. So okay, today here you can see there are some words and there are some spelling and there are some meanings. And now we're gonna make a sentence. Okay, so this is gonna be do. And look, there are some, this is the some meaning, and this is some meaning and sentence. And now what we're going to do, just make a sentence. Look, only this is how you can fluent in English. Okay, otherwise as I told every new video, just at least practice for 15 or 20 minutes every day. Just watch my content and just practice 5 or 10 minutes. I mean, it's not hard that you have to take 5 or 10 minutes. Look, you are not a very big businessman and not a very big celebrity superstar star, so you can do anything. Everyone has a time. Okay, it's just excuse that you are giving to the world and you giving to your society that you have no time, you are full of busy man. Everyone has a, and I don't think so in 2026 everyone is want everyone watch content each and every day. I'm telling you, in 2026 everyone watch content. Even a beggar, even a people who live in slum, even a people who live in a bungalow, even a people living in 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK float, tier 1 city, tier 2 city, everyone, not in India, I mean whole our country, I mean whole over world, whole over planet, she watch content in 2026. Okay, so everyone has a time. Okay, this is all just excuse that you are giving to yourself and to the world that you have not a time. No, it's not working like that. Okay, so here are some words and there are some spelling and there are meaning. So loth, uh, I mean, I don't loathe it. I loathe it to do it. Lose. If you're gonna lie, you're gonna lose your dignity. Okay. If you're gonna if you're gonna tell them all your society, you're gonna lose your identity. Okay, so don't lose yourself. Loss. I think India gonna lose this match because there are many more run to chase and still they are reaching in a 150, 160. Okay, so what they are doing and what they are think that they are doing themselves. Luxuriant. I mean, it's precious and luxurious what they are doing. I mean, look, the biggest luxury is your health. I'm telling you guys, it's your biggest luxury that you are become a healthy person. You are a very because health is a wealth. You if you are healthy and you are fit, I think you are the one of the richest person in the world. So always care about your health. Do whatever, but always do in your limit. Okay, if you're gonna look, if you're gonna do out of control and out of limit, then you're gonna if we look, if we take a seed, okay, if we take a seed and we just buried them and 10 or 15 years we see that now it's become a full of mango tree. But if we just give them too much water, then of course that tree gonna burn out. So this is in a life working. If you are doing out of limits everything, then you gonna pay for it. Okay, so always do whatever you want to do, but just do in your limits. So this is how you gonna become a very happier person, successful person, and very healthy person. What you need for this is all we need: health, wealth, success. Just chill, cool. Okay. So loss. I think he lost in a very share market. I think he gonna lost a huge amount of share market. I think he lost 5 or 10 crore in a share market. So next time I think he gonna see. This is my brother name. Okay, lovable metal. Metal. I think metal. Whatever the metal we just see there, like iron, like copper. What kind of metal when we see, we used to call them metal. This is the symbol we used to identify a metal. Okay, metal. Meter. Negligent. I think negligible. I think he is negligent for. Look, this is the word that you are saying. But if you look in English, English is like a Hindi. Okay, once you're gonna subconscious attach to this language, then you're gonna automatically fluency in your mouth and automatically fluency in your mind. Okay, so it's not a big deal that you are speaking English. Okay, but one thing that I'm telling you that in English, don't always choose and pick up a simple word so you can easily speak English. Look, you not have to always speak very hard word and very look. Many people are doing that just because they want to show that other self impress. I mean, look what kind of think we are pursuing. Impress. Why we are impressing someone? Why wanna we impress people? Why? Just because there are. It's not. You have not to impress anyone. Just impress yourself. Always choose and pick up very simple word and try to be very normally speaker. Very look slow and slowly you gonna study within the range. You will not one day you gonna wake up and you suddenly wanna speak English like in a parrot style. No, always just practice yourself 15 and 20 minutes. Pick up very simple word, simple sentence, and just easily speak English. This is how you're gonna grow. This just watch Hollywood movie, just watch Hollywood song, just watch Hollywood actor interviewer, and just watch that how they build themselves, how they build their empire, how they build their aura, their star power, celebrity power, how they become an icon, and how they become a mega icon like this. Okay, so this is how you're gonna build yourself, and this is how you're gonna complete yourself. So always just pick up and simple, and this is how you're gonna speak English. So I guess you are liking my content very much, so please like, share and subscribe my channel, so it will boost me and it will motivate me. Tomorrow we're gonna discuss a new thing. Okay, tomorrow gonna we discuss about new topics, new chapter. Look, I am making this content creation just for you, just for myself. Okay, so you gonna improve, because I know there are lots of people who are live in village, live in town, live in tier 1 city. I think I so they are very ashamed to speak English. They are very shy to speak. But here I'm with you. I'm gonna help you full time, and I don't think so after you see me then anyone will stop to English. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. जय हिंद, जय भारत, नमस्ते, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, सत श्री अकाल, केम छो, मजामा.